Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will cover the section number 3. Answer the following questions in 30 to 50 words. There are mainly 4 questions. The lines have been given in the questions and we will have to explain all the lines given in the question. First, the wind slipped through the leaves as if afraid, leaves its voice and noise of its steps, put up the pitiless splendor. What is the writer saying in this question? We have to explain these lines. The poet is saying that the panic of the tiger can be felt in the atmosphere of the jungle. Even the wind is feeling afraid or panicked due to the painless or pitiless activities of the tiger, and the wind didn't have any desire to disturb the pitiless creature. And which is pitiless creature? The tiger is the pitiless creature that is ready to harm the beautiful beauty of the nature. The pitiless activities of the tiger have been expressed in these lines. He is continuously creeping and creeping for attacking the deer that is completely unaware about the situation and that doesn't know what is going to be happen in the next few moments. This is the question number 1. Now we are moving to the explain whose वॉइस एंड नॉइज ऑफ स्टेप पिट अप द ग्रेनेडियर, ये हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है. डिस्ट्रॉय द माइल्ड हार्मलेस ब्यूटी बाय द स्ट्रॉन्ग क्रूअल ब्यूटी इन नेचर, एक्सप्लेन द लाइन. द राइटर इज सेइंग बोथ द टाइगर एंड द डियर आर द पार्ट ऑफ द ब्यूटी फॉर द नेचर एंड बोथ ऑफ देम एड द ब्यूटी ऑफ द जंगल, वुडलैंड्स और वुड्स. बट देयर इज ए बिग कॉन्ट्रास्ट बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम. There is a big difference between the nature of them. One is harmful or cruel beauty and second is harmless, beautiful beauty of the nature. The deer stands for beautiful beauty of the nature and the tiger stands for cruel, harmful beauty of the nature. And the destruction, the extinction of the cruel beauty of the nature is compulsory or must. Yes. Now this is the question number 2. Now we are moving to the third question. And what is the, there is no third question, it is 4 number दिया है इसमें, वैसे ये third ही है, first, second and third. Which expression in the poem reveals the optimistic mood of the poet? Last lines of the poem have the optimistic mood and they represent the optimistic mood of the poet when the poet says that a day may yet come when the tiger crouches and lives no more in the dangerous heart of the forest, as the mammoth shakes no more the plains of Asia. Still then shall the beautiful wild deer drink from the coolness of great pools in the leaf shadows. The mighty perish in their might, the slain survives the slayer. These are the lines where the optimism or positive nature of the poet has been explained, and the poet says that a day will come when the deer will drink the water at the pond without any worry and without any tension or without any stress or depression, and the mighty tiger will not be in the world then. Okay? The extinction is definitely for the harmful beauty of the nature. Okay, these 3 questions have been discussed by us. Now all of you will do them in your fair notebook. That's all for today. Have a nice